Hello everyone. In this class we will discuss type of interval, universal set, union and intersection of two sets. Okay. So let's start with the intervals. So there are four types of interval. Okay. So interval only we are using in case of real numbers only to represent real number between any 2 points. Okay. So the first one is open interval. So open interval we are writing like this. This is called open bracket and this is called close bracket. So open interval, this in this way we are writing, let's say a comma b. So means this a and b end points are not included here. Okay, so open interval means end points are not there. Okay, like this. So if I write instead of a 2 and here it is 3, so open interval will be open 2 comma 3. That means it contains all the numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, there are infinitely many numbers between 2 and 3. So it contains all the number between 2 and 3 except 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are not included here. Okay. So another way we are writing the open interval like this: a less than x less than b. So here strictly less than is there. So strictly less than means open interval. Okay. The second is close interval. So close interval means notation is like this we are writing, and close interval means end points are included here. Okay. So if I take a is to be 2 and b is equal to 3, so in this close interval all the numbers between 2 and 3 plus 2 is also there here and 3 is also there. Okay, so that is called close interval. So if you look at here, we can write down a less than equal to x less than equal to b. So here equal to sign is also there. That means it represents close. Then third one, semi-open. So semi-open means one side it is open, other side it is closed. Okay. So whatever side it is open, that point is not included, and whatever side it is closed, that point it is there. Okay. So if I write a is to be 2 and b is to be, let's say, 3. Okay. So it is open at 2 and close at 3. That means it contains all the numbers between 2 and 3. Okay. It includes 3 also, but it does not include 2. Yeah. So this is a semi-open interval, and wherever open is there we will write less than strictly, and wherever close is there we will use less than and equal to sign. Then semi-closed means one side it is closed, other side it is open. So this side is closed, so this point is included, and this side is open, so this point is not included. Okay. So wherever it is closed we'll write less than equal to sign, wherever it is open we'll write less than sign. Look at the next part, that is a universal set. So universal set nothing is nothing but, for example, let's say this is a ground. Okay, this square box is nothing but a playground. So in this playground, this dot represents students. Okay, so some students are playing cricket and some students are playing football. Okay, so what is a universal set? Universal set means all the students which are there in this square. Okay, so this is the universal set, all the students in the school or in the ground. Okay, so meaning of this is nothing but the big picture containing all possible element for this specific problem. Okay, so mostly we are denoting as capital U, universal set. Okay, look at the next part, that is a union versus intersection. So what is the meaning of union? Union is nothing but the combination. Okay, so for example, let's say this is a set A, it contains the element 1 2 3, and the another set is B, has the element 3 4 5. Okay, so if I draw the diagram, this is A and this is B. So union means all this thing, A and B, we have to collect all the elements of A and B. Okay, so A union A, so union can be written as like this U symbol. So A union B is nothing but collection of all the element of A and B. So A is 1 2 3. Okay, and then B is 3 4 5. So 3 we cannot repeat, we have to write down 4 and 5. Okay, so all the elements we have to combine of the set A as well as B without repeating the element. Okay, and this union is nothing but, union means or word we are using. So if you want to write down a set builder form of this A union B, we can write down like X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, this is a set builder form. Or word means union. Remember this. Union we are writing like this symbol, and this or word, that means union. Either it can be belongs to A or it can be belongs to B. This is a set builder form. Other side is the intersection. So intersection, this symbol is there, ulta U. Okay, so intersection means only the common part. You can see the diagram. This is a set A, and the other side we have set B. So intersection means only the common part in the set A and B. Whatever common element are there in the set A as well as B, that we have to write down. So let's take the same example. A is 1, 2, 3, B is 3, 4, 5. So which element is common in both the set? So in both the set we have 3, element 3. So A intersection B, answer is nothing but 3. And which word represents intersection? So that is nothing but AND word. Okay. So if I write the set builder form, we can write down as A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, this is a set builder form of the intersection. We are using AND word here in the middle. AND means intersection, or means union. Remember this thing that we have to use in the last part. So union means collection of both the set, and intersection means only the common part. So look at now questions on this intervals and union intersection. So the first question is on the intervals. So here set builder form is given. We have to convert that set builder form into roster form. So first is X such that X belongs to real number. Okay, we have to write down the intervals. So 4 minus 4 is there here, and less than is there. Equal to is not there. That means minus 4 is open, comma. Here is equal to less than equal to 6. That means 6 is what? Close. So this is the interval for the first question. So it is semi-open interval. Now for the second question, minus 12. Here it is strictly less than. That means minus 12 is open, comma. The second element is minus 10. Here also strictly less than is there. So that is also open. So this is an open interval. Okay. Look at the next question. Now intervals are given. Two intervals are given. We have to convert that two intervals into uh, set builder form. So look at the first one. First is open interval 3, 8. So if you want to write down in the set builder form, we'll write X such that X belongs to real number. Okay. For real numbers only we can write down the interval. So remember X belongs to R, we have to write down, and then both the side open interval is there. So we'll write 3 less than X less than 8. Okay, done. Look at the second one. In the second one, both the side it is closed. So how to write X such that X belongs to real number, comma, minus 5 less than equal to X less than equal to 7. Because both the side it is closed, so we have to use less than and equal to symbol. Okay. Look at the next one. Now the third question is universal set is given 1 to 10, A set is given 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and B set is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the question is find A union B and find A intersection B. So let's say A union B first. So A union B means we have to combine both the set. So what are the elements of A? 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And what are the elements of B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you have to combine all the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So we have combined both the set. So we are getting A union B as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you look at this set, it is nothing but exactly same as U. Okay, so A union B is nothing but exactly equal to universal set U. Now second question, A intersection B. So intersection means the common element only we have to write down. So is there any common element in the set A as well as in the set B? No, there is no common element. Okay, so if it is no common element, then what is the answer? Empty set. So we can write down empty set like this, or we can write down like this. So intersection answer is empty. Look at the next question. Again, A set is given A, B, C, D. B set is given C, D, E, F. We have to find out A union B and A intersection B. So A union B, that means what? Combine both the sets. So A has A, B, C, D, and write down the elements of B also, that is CD already we have written, so E and F. So this is the A union B. Now second thing is A intersection B. So intersection means only the common element. So which are the common element in both the set? C and D. Here also C and D. So C and D are common in both sets. So we'll write A intersection B as C and comma D. So this is A intersection B. This is union. Look at the next question. So the question is true or false. If A is close interval 2 to 7. Okay, so if I draw the number line, let's say 2 is here, okay, and 7 is here. So close interval 2, that means 2 is included here, 2 is also there, and open is 7, 7 is open, so 7 is not included, okay, 7 is open. And B interval is what? 5 to 9. Okay, so let's say 5 is here and 9 is here. Okay, so 5 is open, so here it is open, and 9 is close, so it is here. So the question is A intersection B. So intersection means only the common part. So A is from here to here and B is from here to here. So what is the common part between them? So this is the common part, no? Between 5 to 7 is common part. But 5 is open and this side 7 is also open. So the common part is 5 to 7 open interval. So A intersection B is open interval 5, 7. So here it is given the same thing. So yes, this is a true statement. Okay. Look at the next question. Now two set builder forms are given. We have to find out A intersection B. So let's convert that set builder first of all into roster form. So what is A set given? X such that X is a natural number first and multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 means table of 3. So 3, 6, 9. Okay. So all these number are natural number. No? So we have to write down that 3, 6, 9, 12. Now it is infinite numbers. So we'll write dot dot dot. Okay. Then look at the B set, that we will also write in the roster form. So B set is what? X such that X is again natural number but less than 6. So which numbers are natural and less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, less than 6 means only these 5 numbers will come. So what we have to find out? A intersection B. So intersection means only the common element. So which elements are common in both the set? So 3 is common. Okay, remaining no number is common, so only 3 will come. Okay, so A intersection B is nothing but singleton set 3. Look at the next question. So A is given to be interval which is from -3 to 5. So if I draw the number line, let's say -3 is here, okay, and 5 is here. So -3 is open, so -3 is not included but 5 is closed. Okay, after that second interval is close 2 to 8. So 2, so 2 will come between -3 to 5, correct? So let's say 2 is here and 8 is here. So 2 is closed and 8 is open. So the first interval is -3 to 5 and the second interval is 2 to 8. So we have to find out A intersection B. Intersection means common. So what is common between these two intervals? This part is common. Okay, 2 to 5. And 2 is also closed, 5 is also closed. So A intersection B answer is nothing but close interval 2 to 5. Okay. Next question. So A set is given 1, 2, 3. So the question is find A union B, A union empty set, and what is A intersection empty set. Okay, so one set we have, let's say 1, 2, 3, and the other set we have empty set. Empty set means there is no element. So what is A union empty set? So A union means what? Combination of both the set. We have to collect element of both the set. So elements of the first set is what? 1, 2 and 3. And then we have to write down the element of the second set. So in the second set, no element is there. So this is the answer, 1, 2, 3. So whenever we are doing any set union with empty set, we'll get the same set A. Okay. Suppose B union empty set, we'll get answer again the set B. So any set union with empty set will be the same set, whatever is given. The next thing, A intersection empty set. So intersection means common element. Okay, so in A set we have 1, 2, 3 but in second set, empty set, there is nothing. Okay, so here nothing is there, that means there is no common element. So whenever we are doing intersection with empty set, we will get always empty set. Okay, so union will give you a combination that is a bigger set, and intersection will give you the smaller of the two set, which is empty set. So if the empty set is smaller here, then the answer is empty set. Okay. Look at the next question. So A is given in the set builder form. So we'll convert, let's say, in the roster form first. So x such that x is a prime number less than 10. So prime number is starting from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, after that directly 11. So we want only prime number which is less than 10. So this is done. Then look at the B set, we'll convert into the roster form. So B set is x such that x is a odd positive integer less than 10. Okay, so it is odd, positive, and less than 10. So odd number is starting from 1, positive, then 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, less than 10. So these are the odd positive numbers. So we have to find out what A union B. So A union B will be what? We have to collect both the sets element. So 1 will come, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this is the A union B. Now suppose you have to find out A intersection B. So what is the answer of A intersection B? A intersection B means only the common element we have to write down. So what are the common element? 3, 5, and 7. So in the intersection 3, 5, and 7, only these three elements will come. Okay. So this is the intersection part. So if you like this video, then share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.